Hey, what's up you guys? Thank you for tuning into our U-Haul channel. Today we like to review the Rhino USA Heavy Duty Ratchet Tie-Down Kit. If you are not familiar with Rhino USA, they are a company that specializes in power sport accessories, and this kit itself is made for heavy equipment. If you have a heavy bike, heavy ATV, something that you really want to make sure that it's secure while you're hauling it somewhere, this is a strap kit that you're gonna want. Like it says in the name, Rhino USA, this product is made here in the United States. And to kind of take a look at what this kit contains, it comes with 2 ratchet straps. Each of those are 8 feet long, and then it comes with 2 soft loops, which are both 17 inches long to help secure the handlebars when securing a motorcycle or such. Now, like I said, this is the heavy duty kit. To look at a few of the ratings on the side here, that has a working load limit of 1,736 pounds, and it has a max braking strength of 5,208. So if you have that heavy bike that you're looking to secure, this is the right product for you. So to kind of take a better look at it, let's go ahead and open it up. All right, now that we have the kit out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at it. A few of the things that come with this kit is, first thing that you'll notice, it comes with the instructions. So if you have any question on how to use it, you can just look right in that pamphlet. It'll tell you what to do. Also, one cool thing with the Rhino products is they come with a unlimited lifetime warranty. You can go ahead and disactivate it. It has all the information on that card. So if something ever does happen with your product, you can replace it. And they also give you a nice sticker that you can use if you want to showcase their brand. Now, with ratchet straps, personally I don't like it when it gets tangled up and you keep them stored. So they give you a nice storage bag. Has just a simple drawstring. You'll just pull it tight and you can keep it all together. So next time you go to use one of your straps, it's not tangled up and you have to waste more time doing that. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a look at the ratchet strap itself. With the ratchet strap, it comes with 2 ends. You have the fixed end right here, and then you'll have the adjustable end also. Each end contains a coated S-hook with the safety clip, and both of them are coated. Has a nice plastic covering over the clip, so you know that it will prevent any damages or scratches if you're tying down your motorcycle. Now when you're looking at the webbing itself, when you look at most ratchet straps, take a look at the stitching, you'll only see 1 cross thread. This one has 3. You know that they've gone over the top, it's gonna have a nice hold, and when you feel the webbing itself, it's nice and soft, it's abrasion resistant, and it's gonna work well in the weather. So to take a look at the ratchet, you can tell just by looking at it, it's big, it's durable. You can take a look at the gears, and when you go ahead and use the ratchet itself, it glides nice and easy. And let's go ahead and kind of show you how to use this. So you'll go ahead and take the adjustable part and you'll just find the opening of the spool and you'll bring it right through. Now you'll take it and you'll pull it over the spool again, and then you'll adjust it to the length where you need it to secure your load. You don't want to leave too much slack when you go ahead and tighten it. And once again, with the strap in there, it glides nice and easy. And when you pull on it nice and tight, but if you have too much of the slack in there, it's just going to become a big wad, and when you go to release it, it's going to be tight and it's going to be difficult to release. But to show you kind of how to release that, it has the release lever right there. You just pull that up and that will let you pull it to the horizontal position, and then you just grab that adjustable end again and pull it out all the way. Alright, so the last thing that comes in this kit is the soft loop itself. As you can see, just like the ratchet strap, it has the triple stitching, which really gives it a nice firm maximum hold when using it. Now this is for the handlebar itself when securing it. We're going to use this bar to simulate the handlebar. You would take it and you would loop it around itself, and then that would just give you a nice firm grip around your handlebar. And as you can see, it uses the webbing, so it's not going to scratch. It's going to be nice and secure and safe for your bike. And then on the other end, you would take the S-clip and use the S-clip to clip it onto the end there. and you'd have a nice firm hold to use with the ratchet around your handlebar to keep it secure and safe. All right, once again, this is the heavy-duty ratchet tie-down kit by Rhino USA. If you are interested in this product, you can find it on uhaul.com, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews for your hauling needs.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, visit us online today at uhaul.com.